Hey folks, welcome back. We've still got Kevin from Kevin's Rambles here and Steve, his trusty sidekick. And having visited Winchcombe, we said, well, I'll tell you what, I know a really good place we can go and show you, very nearby. Hailes Abbey, loads of history, brilliant to walk around. We get here and it's closed. First day of opening is the 1st of April. No joke, April Fool's Day. Which is Saturday, today's Wednesday, so we've come too early again. Anyway, we're going to see if we can have a little look, and we might go over the road there and have a little look at the Hailes Church, which is a nice little church in a minute. But like we said, we were going to come and have a look at Hailes Abbey, which unfortunately, although I did want to show Kevin and Steve that, it is shut 3 days too early. We've come too early again, Kevin. It's not
absolutely
good.
That's always been my problem.
I know, it's just, you know. So we're now going to have a little poke around in Hailes Church. 12th, 13th century, something like that. Let's go and have a look. Oh wow. So like I said, really, really old, 12th, 13th century. And if you look really carefully, I'll try and get the camera to pick them out. Is the artwork still on the walls?
Somebody hunting dogs, wasn't it? And going through this screen, this wooden screen, there is a wooden screen.
More artwork on the walls there. Brilliant. It's very nice to find it open. The floor's lovely. You get a good sense of the age. It's almost like it's just not changed for however many centuries. Well, obviously it hasn't, the building itself, but it's not been altered too much by people using it. Just take a walk through the screen there, up in towards where the altar is, and we'll show you. Beautiful tiled floor. Oh wow. Well spotted, Steve. Steve's just pointed out that there's another stone grave similar to what we saw in that St. Peter's Church.
That's right.
Only this one's intact.
I think Kevin might be standing on another one.
Wow, there's two. A lot of these frescoes that are not intact but still very visible. Some of the mythical creatures depicted up there, look, to believe in some strange things back in medieval times.
A Knights Templar grave.
Okay, so a nice little video there of Kevin playing with his organ.
Right, we'll have a wander around the outside. Look at these, look at this. Stonemason's marks.
Yeah, so that was Kevin. Like I said, we are just going to take a little walk around the outside. Just to admire the architecture of this 12th century, so 1140 something we think, church. Just back around onto the south side now. A very, very nice little church. Glad it's open. We can have a little look around and show you people around. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that little look around Hailes Church. Either 12th century or 13th century, we're not quite sure. Either way, it's pretty old. If you have enjoyed it, you know, you just give us a little thumbs up, because that helps the channels out. Subscribe to Kevin's channel as well. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.